Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something huge that's changing the music industry forever: AI-generated music. If you've ever wanted to create music, earn royalties on platforms like Spotify, sell beats online, or even get into NFTs, but you don't play an instrument or know music theory, guess what? AI can now do most of the work for you. So grab your notebook because I'm going to break down the best AI tools, how to create tracks fast, and multiple ways to turn those tracks into real money. Oh, and stick around to the end, because I'll share one secret strategy most people miss that could help you scale this into a full-time income. Here's why this is huge. AI music is not just a hobby, it's a business opportunity. The global AI music market is exploding. Content creators, brands, and even big music labels are buying AI-generated tracks for videos, podcasts, ads, and games. And you can get in on this. No expensive studio, no musical training, just a laptop and an internet connection. Let's talk tools. Here are 6 of the best AI music tools you can start using today. 1. Suno.ai, perfect for creating full songs with vocals and lyrics. Great if you want to produce pop, rock, or even rap tracks. 2. Boomy, one of my favorites because you can make a track in minutes and instantly publish it to Spotify, Apple Music, and more. 3. Soundraw.io, ideal for creating background music for videos, ads, and social media posts. 4. AIVA.ai. If you want cinematic scores for movies, trailers, or YouTube intros, this is the tool. 5. Muber, best for royalty-free loops, great if you're targeting content creators or streamers. 6. Beethoven.ai. This one creates mood-based music specifically for podcasts or storytelling videos. Most of these have free trials, and a few even allow commercial use with their basic plans, so you can start experimenting right away. Now that you can make music, let's talk about the fun part: making money with it. A. Upload to streaming platforms. Create your tracks, then use DistroKid, TuneCore, or CD Baby to upload to Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube Music. Every stream pays you royalties. Some Boomy creators are earning hundreds monthly just from simple tracks. B. Sell royalty-free music. Make instrumental or background tracks and list them on Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Envato Elements. Content creators and marketers are always buying ready-to-use music. C. Start a YouTube or TikTok channel, post compilations of your AI beats, lo-fi, chill-hop, or even motivational tracks. Monetize through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. TikTok is huge for viral music. If one of your tracks trends, you could get thousands of new followers overnight. D. Sell AI music as NFTs. Platforms like Sound.xyz or Catalog let you mint and sell unique AI-generated tracks as NFTs. Add perks like exclusive rights or private behind-the-scenes content to increase value. E. Offer custom music services. Start freelancing, create podcast intros, YouTube jingles, or add background music. You can charge $50 to $500 per track depending on complexity. Promote your services on Fiverr or Upwork. F. Teach AI music creation. If you get good, create a tutorial course or ebook. Sell it on Udemy, Gumroad, or Skillshare. People are willing to pay to learn how to do this. A quick word of caution: always check if the AI platform gives you commercial rights. Boomy and Soundraw do, but some others may have restrictions. Avoid copyrighted vocal samples. Stick to original AI-generated content. If you're selling NFTs, make sure you fully own the track's rights. Here's the secret most people miss: focus on a niche and brand yourself. Instead of making random tracks, pick a specific style: lo-fi for studying, cinematic for trailers, or upbeat kids music. Build a consistent brand with a name, logo, and social presence. Then release multiple tracks weekly. Consistency plus branding equals credibility, and that's when the big licensing deals and influencer collaborations start coming in. So, are you ready to turn AI music into your next income stream? If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI money-making strategies, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on any of these tools: Boomy, Suno, or Soundraw. And if you want my free list of the best AI music tools and platforms to sell your tracks, check the link in the description. Until next time, keep creating and keep monetizing your skills.